At Sterling Industries, we're here to help innovators innovate. Every one of our clients, from small to large, comes to us with a unique solution to a specific healthcare challenge. But it's a long path from that light bulb moment to a finished medical device, manufactured and shipped at scale. We help them get there. For us, successful manufacturing projects are always the result of the right combination of people, processes, and technologies. Most contract manufacturers specialize in one product category or one medical domain. We take a different stance. We can manufacture nearly any medical device when we combine those three things intelligently and efficiently. We provide value by taking care of our clients' entire production process, from materials procurement through fabrication, assembly, sterilization, all the way to packaging and even logistics.
We have a lot of engineering talent, a lot of experience, and a lot of creative problem solving here at Sterling. Everyone is focused on designing for quality, compliance, and repeatability.
We take our client specs and work with them to optimize their design for manufacturability, quality, and cost efficiency. From selection of materials through the assembly process, everything makes a difference to their business.
Quality is more than just being diligent. Quality and compliance is the result of baking it into every process, every part, every device. Our quality management system isn't a formality. It's at the heart of everything we do. Part of our DNA, something every employee understands from day one.
From global OEMs to new disruptors, our clients trust us with their innovations and their reputation. We are partners with our customers. We're all in it together to innovate healthcare, improve patient outcomes, and empower doctors and healthcare professionals.